What's up, you guys? So, I have decided that I am going to start doing my own little mini photo shoots. Now, I have never done anything like this before, but I want to be more consistent with posting content. The only issue I'm having right now is I just put some makeup on, and my foundation is a little bit lighter than I want it to be, but that's because we've been constantly going to the beach and going swimming, so now I am darker and I don't match my foundation anymore. I don't know, it just looks weird to myself because you can tell where I went in there and I tried to wipe some of it off. And now it's just not blended at all. Oh, I look like that to myself. What is this? What is that? Oh God. What is that? Oh my Lord. I don't know, but I think once I take my pictures, you won't see all of that. Like, it won't be so... Also, I just got done shooting a music video unexpectedly. I was actually just woken up out of my sleep and was told that the cameraman is here. And we just shot Want It All. I also have a music, studio session tonight at 8. So, I ain't gonna lie, my allergies is really doing me bad here. They wasn't doing me like this in Florida, but as soon as I come here to Memphis, the pollen is, oh my God. There's some Claritin over here. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna get ready to go to our first location. And let's see how this goes. Okay, so I think I have found my first location. Woods is getting his handy dandy, what is it called again?
Gimbal.
His gimbal together to keep a steady hand. So we're gonna walk over here and check out this location.
We got China Cane in the back, the DJ.
Yeah, we got China Cane in the back. Alright, let's go, y'all.
Make sure you push your door down, your lock down, China.
What?
I was telling her to lock her door.
Okay.
Cause I can't lock it with the thing. Do I need to grab this? The cigarette.
Recording. Okay, let's head on over here. It's dope over there. Trying to get the speaker out the car. We'll be playing some music and everything. Let's go over here. Okay, so far, I really want to go over there. Do y'all want to cut through the field?
I gotta hold your camera.
What, for when you vlog? Okay. Okay, so this is what I saw while we were driving. It just looks really dope to me. I just think it'd be a great place to take some pictures. Over here, this wall just looks dope. I like this wall. It has the Memphis on it. With BB's King. I love the blue. She heard my cry. Alright, so we finna get us some music playing out here just to create a vibe. And I'm just gonna take a couple shots over here. Alright. Let me get some music hooked up.
Catch me tipping kids ball game. I don't really want to gain no pity from you. I just wanna still be standing again. Okay. I don't really want to gain no pity from you. I just wanna still be on the red lane. Yeah.
Throw your hands up like you just.
What?
Look at the camera. Smile.
Shit.
You actually look cute, what you don't know.
Feet is hurt. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, I feel a little out of place. I think I gotta kind of like get comfortable to like really do what I'm trying to do, but yeah, I gotta get used to what I'm trying to do. I don't know, it's just I feel kind of out of place, but I'm out here now. What other pose is there besides smiling? I don't know. Okay, we finna get ready and go. I think I got enough shots for this. Okay, we finna do some scenes over here now. Alright.
Take them motherfucking shoes off.
When she won't listen or me, everything I tried to get you to see, just don't go running. When that grass ain't, when she won't listen, everything I tried to get you to see, I'll still eat at our cafe, order the same slice of pie. Sleep on the left side of the bed, cause that's my bedside. I still hug your head when that grass ain't. So just don't go running. That was once unseen. When those leaves start to spring and scream, don't let my telephone ring. Don't go running. That grass ain't green. There's no running.
Why you put him in the shot? Okay, y'all, so we just left that scene. I did not put no lotion on, so my feet ashy as hell. Why I didn't do that, I do not know. But what I do know is my eyelash is leaking, it's getting wet, and I am thirsty. And I also did a snippet to my sister's song. Woods did good. I'm gonna show it to y'all. It looks so good. Well, let's go in the shade. Okay, let's see, honey. Okay, so because I'm having my eyelash falling off, we was gonna do some more was gonna do some more scenes on the railroad tracks, but I think I'm just gonna stick with what I got. I think we got enough for the first photo shoot. I think we should do one every day or every other day. And ain't gonna lie, I was very uncomfortable though. China Cane did really great. I was very uncomfortable though because I don't know, I need to do more research on different ways I could pose, because all I know is to smile. Baby, can you please unlock the door? Sorry, y'all, my husband's over there looking at his look, my pink curl falling, looking at his work. He did an amazing job, honey. I'm so proud of you. For that to be your first time, you got some really nice shots and you did really great at videoing. Awesome job, Mr. Woods. Oh, I want some water. So we did stop and get some ice for our cooler on the back, and I want some water. Ice, baby. Okay, you guys, so
I need all of them, baby.
we have the phone. It's on 30%.
I did them. I brought them whole back to life.
It look good, baby. So we have the phone on 30%. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go through all the photos that he has taken and choose the ones that I like the most, and I will post the ones that I like the most at the end of this video. So if you guys enjoyed watching me doing my first photo shoot, make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure y'all comment and let me know what y'all think of the shots. And also, I am accepting makeup tips. I am accepting posing tips. Yeah, this is our first time though, and so I'm really proud of us though. I think we both did good. Me not being used to taking pictures, and Woods just now trying to take pictures, videos. So y'all stay tuned.
When the devil's on your back, the world don't give a fuck about that. Sister, chin up, your turn to bat, and now it's time for you to fight back. Sister, any dick can poke that split, so fuck him if he ain't bout shit. Sister, your best friend was coming like a twin, but really be praying against your win. Sister, I know it seems life ain't fair, I'm here to tell you life don't care. Sister, so comb your hair, brush your teeth, and pop your shit with a big P. Sister, you a bad bitch, savage, and don't forget to keep that pussy clean. Sister, not average, a classic, so come on bitch, let's get to making green. Sister.